on page Rosh. So here it says, Nachzor, the Var Milas Baruch. Let's go talk about what happens when you say Baruch. Now, he's already said a lot of things about Baruch. So he said, particularly, he said that Kuav Kal goes into the nook and builds her das. So he said, the first thing we want to do here when we say Baruch, there's a first Kavanot, is that we're bringing the B'chinas of Das Kal. He calls it now Das Kal into the nook. And he's going to go over some ground, I guess, here that we already know, but let's see a little bit. But Tevis Baruch, when you say the word Baruch, he says, and he said, Maschilin Halo says, Malchul Mebriya L'Chatzil. This is the beginning of the bringing up of the Malchus of Malchus from Bria into Tzilus. Ayidei Shemashpiyam Alecho Dechidach B'Shefer Hadas Shehu Sod Kal Kamoshi Yavoyer B'Smoch. Now here he doesn't have a Kuav Kal here at this time. Where she's still in the position, she's just a dot with 10 pieces in her. Because it's still missing something. It says this das kal is missing. So in other words, it's dependent on bringing her up. So Akshav, Nechshavis, Malchus, Genekuda Acha Belvad, Hoguludum Esesviros, V'hamshachas Hadas Shenikra Mayim Amagdilim as a Elon, it's called by that name, knows name Baal, plays into her Tosefis Koech Lehios parts of Shalom, an additional amount of strength that makes her into a parts of Shalom. That's what Baruch does, it brings this Kal into her. Shall Esesphiras, Acher Kach Keshita Alav the Tzilus, and then of course that happens, she becomes 10 spheres in Tzilus, and now she's a parts of. So we went through these ideas here with this word Baruch. I'm But the fish is Shefa Hadas Nikra Baruch, and since the Shefa of the Das is called Baruch, it comes from Yisod. Tzarek L'Kabe B'Tevis Baruch, so this is the idea Al Shefa Hadas, the Shefa that we're going to pour into Das. Shenesh B'Chabach Al Yedech Yisod. V'noideki Hadas Kal, this concept. Sheba He B'Chinas Atara or Itra the Gevura. It's the concept of the crown of Gevura, which means what? Ata Yevura Madura Nikra Zadas Denok B'Chinas Kal. Dihinach B'Yeshlon Shlosha Mochin, because she has in fact 3 Mochin. Hanikroim Choch B'Bin Das Chabad. V'Chamuach HaShlish HaNikra Das Nechlach L'Shnei Cholokim B'Nikroim Chamisha Chasadim V'Chamisha Gevuros. V'Nimsa Shebepratos, that is specifically in its parts, Yeshnam Arba Mochin, that's really actually 4 Mochin. Shehem Chochma B'Bina Chasadim the Das Gevuros Das. V'Hidach B'Das Shenoisnim B'Nook, excuse me, the Das that goes into the Nook, He Chelik HaGevura Shebedas, it's an aspect of the Gevura, it's a portion of the Gevura Shebedas, Shenikra Itra the Gevuros. Mishnei Itrim Asher Bedas is their anpen. We're going over this ground again. Itra the Gevuros Anitnim Benuk. He Achaz Mishnei Itrin Shebedas. It's one of the 2 Itrin in Das. The Haina Itra the Chasadim Shesham Yeshna Chamish Chasadim. V'Itra Gevur Shesham Yeshna Chamish Gevuros. Ki Itra the Chesed Nechlechas the Chamish Chasadim Hamispashtim B'Chamesh Kitzvos the Zer Anpen that spreads over there in Zer Anpen Mechesed Ad Hod Shabo. So let's skip down to number Mem Vav. V'Itra the Gevuros HaNechlechas the Chamesh Gevuros Hamispashtos B'Chamesh Kitzvos Shebenukva, in the Keva he says, Mechesed Ad Hod Shabo. HaChamisha Gevura Shebedas, the 5 Gevuros in Das, Mispashtos B'Chamesh HaSpheros HaKlalios, the Zer Anpen as it goes into the 5 spheres of Zer Anpen, Mechesed Ad Hod. Kasher B'Kol Sphera Niknas Achad Machagevuros, each one of has one of the Gevuros goes into it. B'Zecha B'Yuva Madura Nikmas Adas Hanok B'Bechinas Kal. How do you know that? Ki Hine Kol HaMavur Kan Hu Rak L'Gabi Zer Anpen Sheyesh Eser Bechinos B'Das Shabo Shehem Chamisha Chasadim V'Chamisha Gevuros. This we know. Let's just get a little bit more done here. And okay, we still have a little more. V'Chamisha Gevuros. So each one of these 10 Vachinos, Nikbar Shem Havaya, is called by the name Havaya. So in other words, you have 10 Havayas. Vesipam Havaya, also the minion Sar, comes to the 260. So he said, which only all she has is half of that. She doesn't have chasadim at all, only the gevuros, which are 5 times 26. All of the minion kal, it comes out to the gematria of 130. And this is actually the secret of understanding the phrase in the Torah, which we're all aware of, which is that Nashim Daiton Kalos. So this is number Mem Zion. Let's just see if we could get down to where we have to go to number Nun. So Amnam Ataka Daim Haim Omdos Bisod Zer Anpin. And now these 5 are standing, poised at the Yisod Zer Anpin, and Mesham Nem Shachas Venitanet Bedas Shabbat. Shefa Hadasha Oiver the Malchus del Tzilus, that actually goes into the Malchus of Tzilus. Nimsa Hadayim B'Yisod the Chassidah B'Tzarech Lahorida El Heichel Koda Gadashim. I don't know whether he's coming back here. We're going to see whether we're going to get it coming back, because we're right at the end of time here. Nope, we're going to get this last couple of minutes here. So let's hear this last. So we're in this phrase, V'Shefa Hadashu Oiver the Malchus the Chatzilus. Nimsa Hadayim B'Yisod the Chatzilus is still poised there. But Tzarek Lahorida Laheichel Koda Gadashim, you have to bring it out of Tzilus down into Bria. Bedas the Malchus the Chatzilus and Nimsoim Sham, which is over there. We're over there. He said, "V'Lechein Tzarek Shetekave B'Midah Babarach." So this is the Kol HaKlalhu Ki Kasher Rotz in the Hamshech Shefa Mesuya B'Bechida Acha the Chayvita. So you want to bring Shefa. He says that Tzarek Lekavin Al the Bechida Shenois Shenos and it's a Shefa. So first we have to focus on the Bechida, which is giving the Shefa. But also on the receiver of the Shefa. V'gam al the Shefa Atzman, then there's a third part. Look at the Shefa itself. The Ken Kasher wrote in the Hashpir as Shefa Hadas, now Yisod the Chatzilus al Malchus the Chatzilus, Tzarek Lekabin al Shaloshim. You have to have all these 3 different ideas. So he's going to befaret them a little bit. They're all in the word Baruch, as we're going to explain. Okay, that's the end of the shir today. So this is Baruch Fleischman.